Are you looking for a simple and smart way to earn money online? Meet BankSathi, the app that lets you earn by selling financial products to your friends and relatives, and even more through its Refer and Earn program. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to get started. BankSathi lets you earn commissions by helping people around you with their financial needs. You can sell a range of products, including loans, insurance policies, and credit cards. Every successful recommendation earns you real money. The app makes it easy with tools like product details, guidance, and professional support. Want to boost your income further? Use the Refer and Earn feature. Invite your friends to join BankSathi. When they sign up using your referral link and start selling products, you earn a bonus. It's a win-win. Getting started is easy. Just download the BankSathi app from the link in the description, sign up, and start exploring financial products to share. The app's user-friendly interface guides you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to earning with BankSathi today. The link to download the app is in the description below. Begin your financial success story now.